Welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto, everyone. Great Shiba Inu news at last. Shiba Inu price prediction and current Shiba Inu coin news. On October 6, cryptocurrency values continued to rise, with Bitcoin trading above $220,000. At $2,397, the biggest and most well-known cryptocurrency in the world was up almost 1%. According to CoinGecko, the global cryptocurrency market was up almost 1% over the past day, closing at $1.01 trillion, and was once again above the $1 trillion threshold. We will discuss finally fantastic Shiba Inu news, Shiba Inu coin news today in this video. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right now. The second largest cryptocurrency, Ether, which is connected to the Ethereum network, increased by more than 2% to $1,382. The price of Shiba Inu fell more than 1% to $0.12 today, while dogecoin remained nearly unchanged at $0.06. Given that the coin has created a symmetrical triangle pattern, which suggests investor indecision, the Shiba price prediction remains mixed. Shiba has recovered admirably over the past week, despite being among the most severely damaged cryptocurrencies during the most recent market meltdown. Shiba Inu's price rose by 2.15% during the last week, placing it among the top 20 performing cryptocurrencies, according to data from CoinMarketCap. The live market capitalization reached $6.2 billion as a result of this value gain, which was close to $250 million. According to the on-chain measures that provide a general view of the profit produced with Shiba Inu, 26% of SHIB holders are making money at the current price, 69% are losing money, and only 5% are breaking even, according to the token summary. A collectible card game that is said to be the hardest ever has been teased on the official Shiba Inu Twitter account. It has been revealed that the eagerly anticipated video game project Shiba Eternity will launch globally on October 6. At a Twitter Spaces event on September 23rd, the game's makers revealed the date of release. Officially, the download day has been rescheduled from its initial launch date of October 1. Prior to its debut, the game underwent testing in Vietnam and Australia, where it immediately gained popularity. In addition, Shoshi Kuzama, the game's main developer, said he has been playing it for a while and is thrilled to see it go public. For a long time, meme currencies have been criticized for providing users with essentially an endless supply of tokens. Shoshi wants to figure things out. The utility of Shiba Eternity could have a big impact on Shib, which has already increased greatly, if it is a success. The Shib team is working on a number of community-related initiatives. Two are the upcoming video game Shirum and the video game Shiba Eternity *. One attempt to induce scarcity was the burning of Shibu, which aims to eliminate Shib from circulation by rerouting it to wallets that are not in use. Shibburn outlined the three main ways why the platform hurts Shib in a recent tweet on October 4. The first method is the Shibburn website. Shibburn Radio is the second strategy. In order to assist Twitter Super burn more Shib, individuals can also pay to become super followers. The price of Shib will rise as a result of this burning process. The 24-hour trading volume is $278,593,000, and the current Shibu price is $0.11. Over the past day, Shiba Inu has dropped by 0.91%. With a live market capitalization of $6,247,761,000, CoinMarketCap presently has it ranked 14th. There are 549 trillion, 63 billion, and 278 million SHIB coins in circulation. We don't know the maximum supply. The 50-day moving average has provided Shiba Inu with immediate support around $0.119. SHIB will almost probably move to $0.193. the next level of support if there is a bearish crossover below the 50 MA. Shib might drop below the $0.193 triple bottom support level and into the $0.151 range if selling pressure increases. Shiba Inu has the ability to trade bullishly because of the strong fundamentals. Therefore, at $0.111, the chances of a positive trend continuation are very high. The main level of resistance is close around $0.157. If this level is broken, Shib might reach $0.1195. Shib's burning mechanism keeps reaching new heights and occasionally even hits 4-digit speeds. The token's growth was facilitated by a variety of factors, including buying sprees brought on by reduced pricing and the most recent ecosystem updates. The well-known token burning campaign of Shiba Inu, the meme cryptocurrency, reached a new burn rate high over the 24-hour period. Nearly 200 million coins were burned by the token, and the burn rate increased by around 3,000%. According to Shibburn data, a group of individual whales destroyed millions of Shib tokens on their own. Speaking of whales, these influential purchasers are still acquiring the flagship coin at a remarkable pace. 2 whales occupied millions of dollars worth of spots in the Shiba Inu environment in the past 2 days alone. Over 700 billion Shib, valued at over $8.6 million, were purchased by these companies. Additionally, one of these whales added 541 billion tokens, valued at nearly $6.6 million, to a new wallet. According to Whale Stats, huge Ethereum holders received a lot of Shib. Accordingly, the equivalent of $160 million worth of Shiba Inu tokens are held by 2,000 of the biggest Ethereum whales. All things considered, Shib's price reduction helped its cause and generated interest in the flagship cryptocurrency. In fact, Shiba Inu emerged as one of the most intriguing cryptocurrency assets for consumers worldwide, according to CoinMarketCap's survey of the August market. Indeed, a significant number of cryptocurrency fans were impressed by Shib's burning rate. Still, the price was unable to replicate the same momentum. At the $0.12 mark, the 14th ranked altcoin had yet another 2% correction. The chief developer of Shib, Shoshi Kusama, provided the Shib army with a strategy that they must adhere to in order to burn Shib's supply efficiently, which could raise prices. Furthermore, the chief developer at Shiba hinted at the impending release of Shibum, the company's Layer 2 scaling solution. He last of the Shib that is left in use. The future project would include the Shib metaverse and the stablecoin Shai, which is based on Shib. The trading volume of Shiba Inu's governance token BONE abruptly increased by more than 205%, according to CoinMarketCap data. However, BONE's price continued to drop, which made many people wonder what might be happening. BONE was trading at $1.12 at the time of writing, down 13.47% over the previous day. For any asset, higher volatility usually results in higher trading volumes since experienced traders purchase and sell in massive amounts in an attempt to profit. In a similar vein, investors hoping to purchase BONE at its present lows might have contributed to the increase in BONE volume. It's possible that traders were rushing to seize the chance that the recent price volatility offered. Nonetheless, some analysts contend that trading volume, the total number of units exchanged between buyers and sellers, is an inaccurate representation of investor positioning. BONE was one of the best performing stocks in August, rising beyond $2 to reach an all-time high of $2.39 on August 30. BONE's price fell shortly after this peak to enter a range that bulls were unable to maintain above the $1.63 threshold by the end of September, which led to additional falls. Although the precise cause of the dump is still unknown, many believe it was caused by uncertainty surrounding the Shibum launch. A fresh update was provided by the Shibu team working on its metaverse. In the blog article published on October 4th, Shib presented the Canyon art concept to its audience, despite a slight decline in its ecology. A portion of the community may have been excited by the development, but some investors might not think the update is any different from what is going on in the ecosystem. After the release, Shib's 24-hour trading volume dropped 10% to $79.4 million, far from displaying any indications of anticipation. Hardly any sign of the metaverse impact was visible. This condition implies that Shib purchasers were getting close to control and could stabilize the price of Shib against red candles. But according to the Directional Movement Index, Shib buyers and sellers were vying for attention. The positive DMI was 18.30 at the time of publication, while the negative DMI was 17.27. The average directional index showed weak strength to justify the advantage, even though the bullish indications had a little edge. There was a good likelihood that bearish momentum was nearby because the AVX was below 25 at 12.04. At 57.07, Shib displayed strong buying momentum when taking the money flow index into account. Shib investors appeared eager to maintain the RSI condition and inject more liquidity. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.